Friends, here we are developing a simple bash shell script to check the installation of a Python module. See, to develop this bash shell script, the required concepts are Linux command for the requirement, exit status of a command, conditional statements with comparison operators, nullifying the output of any command, and finally command line arguments. First, let me give the Linux command for the requirement. See, this is the Linux command to validate any Python module is installed or not with our Python. Suppose I am importing, let's say, math. You are not getting any error. That means math module is already installed with Python 3. Now, let's say I am importing Boto 3. Now you are getting some error. So first of all, this is the command to validate. But how to use this command logically in your shell script? So where we need exit status of a command. See, suppose after running python 3-c import math, if I display $value, it is 0. Now let's say I am importing Boto 3. After that, I am displaying $value, it is 1. So after running this command, if you see $value, and if this value is 0, then you can say that this module is already installed with Python. And suppose if $value is non-zero, then you can say that whatever the module is there in this place, that is not installed with your Python. Now, after running your required Python command for your required module, I will compare $value with the help of conditional statements. Now let me develop a shell script. Now first I am writing shebang line and then required Python command. I am importing, let's say, math module. Now using conditional statements, I am comparing $value. If it is equals to 0, then I can say that echo the math module is installed, else echo the math module is not installed. That's it. Now let me save it, provide the execution permission for it, and then I am running. See that the math module is installed. Now I want to verify, let's say, a different module called Boto 3. Now I have to replace here and here also Boto 3. So instead of that, what I will do is I will define a variable, let's say module name equals to Boto 3. Now wherever Boto 3 is required, there I will replace with this variable. Here and then one more place. Now let me save it and then run it. See, the Boto 3 module is not installed. And here Boto 3 is not there, that's why your Python command is giving this error. Anyway, we already displayed here the required message, that's why I don't want to display this output from your command. So for that we need nullifying the output of any command concept. So for that, see how we can do it. So for this Python command, what I do is simply whether success or error output, both I will nullify. That's it. Now let me save it and then rerun. Now we are not displaying any error message. And as of now, if you want to verify any other module of Python, you have to edit your script. So instead of that, what we can do is required module name we will pass as command line argument. See, suppose instead of boto3, here I am taking $1. That means first command line argument. Now see, I am running our Python script just by passing our required module. See, suppose here I am passing math or OS, any command. So this is the simple logic to validate whether a required Python module is installed or not with your Python. See, same logic you can develop in different ways. But this is a simplest way to validate a given Python module is installed or not with your Python. Okay, thank you.